Okay, bye bye. How are you? Best. Hello ma'am, where are you from? How are you? I can talk to you in English. Actually, right now I am so Jai Dosto, welcome back to my English spoken blog. So how are you all of you? I hope you are great, you are fine. So friends, today we have arrived, means we have come in front of the for visiting the Red Fort. Red Fort is a very such place and the beach man. You can speak. This is the palace. You can speak earlier time, but nowadays it's a public city and many kind of person have come here for visiting for looking the Red Fort. So that's why I have come here and today is it's a Sunday today. So that's why I came here. You can see this is the location of India Gate. I hope you are watching in my back side. There is a back side Red Fort. So how are you, bro? Because you are looking me, so that's why I want to ask.
Yes. No English.
No English. Actually
I speak in Hindi.
मैं इंग्लिश में ही ब्लॉगिंग करता हूँ.
अरे मैं हिंदी आती है, इंग्लिश में.
No, actually for learning.
लाल किले के बारे में. चैनल किस नाम पे ब्रो आपका?
English spoken blog. Please subscribe my channel.
एक सेकंड में.
जलवा है हमारा.
कहाँ से हो ब्रो?
I am belong from Bihar.
बिहार.
पावर एजे से शुरू होला, एजे से खत्म हुई. पावर दूसर के कहां से ले ली?
अंग्रेजी लानी चाहिए यार. कांग्रेचुलेशन ब्रो यार.
Actually Bihari person is speaking English.
सही बात है.
वाह क्या मुस्कुराहट है.
My brother is laughing. Your
सर्च करो.
Oh, hello guys. This is the Red Fort. You can see. Hello, bro. Okay, let's go this way. Okay. Actually, many kind of person are looking me, but I don't have to look them because I am English blogger. Okay, so that's why you can see. Actually, one person sent me message, bro. You have to connect on the camera. Then you will able to connect with your friend. Okay, bye bye. Side plate. So let's go. You can see, bro. Bye bye. Okay, this is a way. Actually, there are many traffic. Lot of traffic. And old person, child person, many kind of person are available here. Right now, actually, I am fond of speaking, so that's why I'm learning English. Okay, one day I have to visit overall all world. So you can see, actually, I didn't buy some gifts. Okay, there is no chocolate here, and there is no best chocolate, so that's why I didn't buy. Okay, so today I have to visit all Red Fort, means outside, inside, all area. Okay, I have to visit. So let's go. You can see. I would like to show you cinematic shot. You can see. Oh, hello, ma'am. How are you? That's. So where are you from?
Cookland bro.
Cookland? Cookland. Where is Cookland?
Notice.
Oh, that's actually I don't know your country name. Actually, both are your girlfriend?
Husband wife.
Husband wife. Sorry. Okay. Actually, right now I am learning English. In this purpose, like you, I have to visit entire the world, all over the world. So it's the best or not?
One of the best.
One of the best. Actually, where all did you visit nowadays? Earlier time. India Gate and next Qutub Minar. And after that, actually you had gone India Lotus Temple. Yeah. CP you had gone. Yeah. You went. You visited. Okay. So you would like to speak in my blog? It's a video, not a. Actually, by talking to you, actually, I want to improve English. Okay. So bye bye. Actually, I don't have any gift for you. Okay, but bye and nice to talk to you, meet you. Okay, bye bye. Okay, this kind of I have to practice because I am an English boy. By catching the many kind of person, I have to talk. Okay, Jabardasti means courses. What is the real name? Just I search. I will search it. Okay. Okay. Oh, hello friends. I can talk to you. No.
भारी मिस्टेक हो गया सर.
Okay, no problem. Let's go, bro. And in this way, we have to go because today we have to visit inside and outside all Red Fort, not India Gate. Okay, again and again, I am speaking India Gate. Okay, so it's no problem. Okay. Actually, nowadays I am looking a very handsome boy. But no problem. Okay, and I have a 15 rupees and I will take a ticket and then I will go. And I didn't meet a foreigners talking. First of all, I have to go inside area. Then I will try. Okay, it's because there are many traffic and you can see, and I will extend in the line. So by and by after the many kind of person, I will take a ticket. You can see. Okay, this is your ticket counter. Okay, so let's go. And after taking the ticket, I meet you. So finally, friends, I have took the ticket. You can see this is a ticket. Okay, and almost 15 rupees I paid of the account of India government. You can see this is a way. So hello friends, this is a my Topchi. Okay, you can see. Okay, so let's go. Already you saw my Topchi. Okay, this is a gate. Many kind of person are coming here inside area with me. Okay, right now I am getting a happy. Why? I don't know. You can see. Wow, very beautiful place. Oh, hello, ma'am. Oh, hello. I don't know. Oh, hello. Wow. Actually, he was laughing by looking me, but I don't know. I will laugh. Okay, so you can see, bro. Okay, I will meet you some my friends. Oh, hello. How are you? Because the person won't talk to me. Person won't talk to me, but I am talking to the everyone. Okay, this is a market of inside area. Means Red Fort. So actually, I don't have take any food, but you can see Bali, Payal, Tayal, everything you can buy. You can see. Oh, hello, ma'am. You can speak English? Okay, no understand. Okay, no understand, but I understand. You don't understand, but I understand English. Because one day I have to improve. Okay, so this is a cap I would like to do. This is a ladies cap, I think. How am I looking? Okay, bro, how are you? Okay, so this is outside area, and how are you looking while watching this video? Please comment me also. Okay, and where to go, where not to go, I don't know, but whenever I will looking and everybody is going that way, so that's why I'm going. Okay, but it's a very best situation for me because right now I am making a blog in front of the many person, and as well as right now I am practicing and learning English and understanding, and right now I am removing my hesitation, so it's a very best for me. Okay, so no problem. Okay, the one for us. Hello, have you visited? No.
Keep the camera.
Okay, no problem. Keep the camera. You touch my camera? I am professional boy. You don't know. Okay. So where to go? Actually, I have to go this way. Okay, no problem. This is the inside of area. Inside area of Red Fort. Okay. So please comment me and like and share my channel. You won't talk to me, so I won't talk to you, okay? Because I am an English blogger. Actually, I tried to talk to the 4 and 5 foreigners, but everybody is talking to me. No, don't take the photo with me. Don't take the photo with me. Why? It's Sunday today, not a special for me, bro. I don't know. But I will try like this. Okay, stay with us. This is a inside area. Very best place, I think. You can see. Okay. The best location here. Wow. Well done. So this is a way. So just we are growing up area. Actually, this area is very famous, and just I will look you. Oh, hello, ma'am. How are you? I can talk to you in English. Actually, right now I am practicing English. Because one day I have to visit all over the world. Why are you laughing? Actually, I want to talk to you. Where are you going? Okay, look me. Just 1 second, 2 and 3 seconds. Okay, no problem. Okay, bro. Sure. Oh, hello, ma'am. You speak English? You speak English? Why? Because I am speaking English. And they don't understand English. Okay, this is a seat of Akbar. Okay, this area is very famous. I hope you are looking in the serial TV, like many kind of many type of in the movie. I hope you watched it. You can see this area is very famous. Okay, and I will talk to the 4 and 5 person. Oh, hello, ma'am. I can talk to you in English. Actually, right now I am practicing English. No, yeah, you speak Hindi. Brother, you speak English? You speak English? Yes. Yes, you speak English. So, how did you learn English? Can you tell me?
Actually, I'll see the the ancient history of Mughals. We'll see the monument which made by Shah Jahan.
Saja.
And you see,
No, I did not ask you about this place. Actually, I asked you from which institute did you learn English? What's your English journey?
my English is coming from my schools and colleges and nothing else.
Okay, you study from the English medium.
Because I'm senior secondary from CBSE board.
CBSE board. But I study from the Hindi medium, so that's why I'm learning English. This is the best way. from through the blog.
Is there any app or you just
Yes, there are many kind of
from
apps.
the blog only?
Yes, actually right now I'm making a blog in this purpose. I have to visit. I will visit many kind of places. So then I will I will get a many kind of vocabulary and location by location. So in this purpose.
That's a great initiative, and have you eager to learn something which you need, which you have to communicate, and just to be very honest, English is not the thing.
It's a long base communication skill I have to do.
English is just a medium to communicate, but the communication is not need any languages, right? Or Hindi or English.
Okay, so nice to meet you. Nice to talk to you also.
Same here.
Because you tell me your English journey. So because I asked the many kind of person, everybody don't talk to me. I don't know English. What do you talk to me in English? So that's why. Okay, bye bye, bye bye. Okay, let's go bro this way, and you can see this is the very best place. Means palace. It's earlier time. It was a palace of king, means Raja Maharaja. So nowadays it's a public. There are many public have come here for visiting, for taking the photo, for visit the with his friend, with his family. So that's why you can see this is the inside of area. Okay, very places. Oh, hello, ma'am. I can talk to you in English.
No, no.
No. Okay, bye bye. Actually, they were getting angry. Why? I don't know. Because by looking me. Okay. Okay, no problem. Actually, in your life way, there will be many person will meet you. There will be many person will meet you in your life. So they will talk to you without any mood, okay, and they will behave to you very bad way. So this is you won't have to you don't have to go that way. You only have to go right way, because you want to become a best person, you want to become a best citizen. So it's depend on you from on which way do you want to go. Okay, so let's go. This is the way. I think almost I have visited all area inside of the Red Fort. Okay, let's go. But I will try to the foreigners, like many kind of person. I will ask question. So finally, friends, we have visited the today Red Fort. So that's why I am going from here, because I have to go Vallabhgarh, and as well as I try to the talk many foreigners and no many foreigners, and whoever wanted to talk to I wanted to talk to the them, means foreigners. So they stopped me. So that's why I didn't talk to them. So it's in this way I have to practice, and as well as I have to every day try how to speak English fluently and confidently. So this is a mini market. I think I don't know what is the its market name, but after knowing, I will share you to the another video, and after that I will come next day. Okay, so let's go, and in this way we have to follow, and many kind of vocabulary I don't know, but I have to remember, I have to memorize, and in the practice, lack of the practice nowadays we need. So I will meet you another video, another blog. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Bye bye.